playing with this spring here. Digging it out a little bit. See if we get a cup of spring water. I think that's clay there.
It's definitely clay.
Definitely clay, hardened clay.
You can make something out of that.
Did you see that move there? Did you see that move there? He put the stick in there, and now it's dripping off the stick. And now we're going to do a taste test here. That's a good move, O'Brien.
That is an old moonshining move.
Is it?
Yeah, you use a...
Can you guys see
You know
what he
what
just
they
did?
use?
What?
They use a raccoon penis.
Stop it.
I'm telling you.
He's filling this up. We're in the spring water business, boys. If you want a gallon, just send me the $9.99 and I'll send you a couple gallons.
We can't do this all day, folks.
Well, let's take a look.
Crystal clear.
Well, let's take a look.
Oh my gosh.
That tastes like good water to me.
It's as good as you get it.
That's spring water. I'm talking about real spring water.
From Mother Earth, baby.
I mean, we're literally drinking spring water here. Literally. I'm not talking about the spring water you get in the store. I mean, we got a stick in the mud, dripping water from a real spring coming out of the dirt.
We don't even need a stick, I don't think.
We don't even need a stick no more.
I thought I was trying to get a little undercut to put your cup. Oh, man. Vince, there ain't nothing wrong with that, man.
No.
That's being filtered all through there.
Yeah, we got
coming out there clean.
Yeah, we got nature's filter going on here.
Build a box right here.
We got to build a box he's talking about. Kind of like this. See that, how the water's puddling up there? Yeah. You build a box and the water goes all into the box.
Put the pump in there.
Put the pump in there.
Pump it to the tank.
Pump it to the tank.
Tank feeds it to the house.
Tank to the house.
We got water.
We got water. That's
Free.
the plan, baby.
Free, baby.
Free water. No water bill here, man. No water company. No 5% raises every year. There she, see her filling up there? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Let's take a look. It's pretty good to me, man.
Are you kidding me?
That's spring water, baby. We're golden. All right, that's enough drinking water. Let's get back to the chainsaw, O'Brien.
He's a slave driver.